Internet video traffic accounts for 80% of global consumer internet traffic. 92% of mobile video viewers do like sharing it with others. Videos get more shares than text and images combined. 74% prefer videos as a more effective method for generating leads. The number 2 search engine next to Google is YouTube. Point being, it's the 21st century and you need to be making videos regularly. Not everybody can afford a professional videographer to do videos regularly. That is why I made this course, to teach everybody how to make your own professional videos on a regular basis to grow your business. Everybody has a professional camera in their pocket and should be making videos regularly. It's not only fun, but effective. In this course, we teach composition, audio, lighting, and editing. The goal of this course is to save you money in the long run and help keep your video content consistent, fresh, and to help grow your reach through video. More content equals more engagement equals more results. It's time for you to become your own video producer. Sign up now and grow by creating your own vids for your biz.